Hi, welcome back to the channel. A little bit of echo today. I'm in a very small, I guess I'm being ignorant on this, it looks like a little temple. Anyway, it's a place of worship, kind of. And as you can see, Buddhas are behind. I'm at a spectacular bridge. It doesn't go anywhere, but I'll show you that in a few seconds. But going on to the technical thing, being in Thailand now and in these times, we have to scan in and out everywhere we go. So on your Samsung phone, you have 3 scanners already built in. You do not need to download any other scanner. And I'm going to show you how to use all 3, what they're for, the difference is dead easy, and you can use it all the time. Press subscribe, and hopefully I'll find more interesting places to start my introduction for you as we continue with our journey together on Android, mainly Samsung, tech stuff. So speak to you soon and keep watching now as I go on with the video. Tight. Film outside. Here we go. Follow me. Follow me. I'm going to put in the notes above where exactly we are. Hopefully in the near future you guys can come and visit Thailand, and it's a beautiful little place. There's no one here at all. In fact, it looks like it's all pretty much being left to decay. There's beautiful little miniature houses down below which we'll show you in a second, but there's nothing going on with. In fact, they're just falling apart. Let me just show you. And we have a dog here that I've been assured is harmless. And if it isn't harmless, the next video will be filmed inside a hospital. But let's carry on. Okay, Ty? And I hope you find these introductions interesting. Oh, let me carry on then myself with this. I've got the phone. So let me just give you a little bit more of a guided tour before we get on to the technical part of the video. It's only going to be a minute or two, but I just want to show you some interesting things that are all being filmed on my Samsung Galaxy Note 20. And look at these little huts. I'll show you a bit more. I don't know what's going on here, but they're very beautiful. I would imagine years ago, maybe the monks used to live here. But it's a shame, really. No, they're just being left. Look at that. Me. Wow, look. Truly amazing. I don't think this, in fact, looking at this next part, does not look safe for me to walk on. They're made out of wood and you can see they're already starting to collapse. But here, you can see no one's lived in these for years. And there's quite a few. Open air, but quite beautiful, protect you from the elements, or used to, before the holes in the roof and stuff. Right in the middle of nowhere, frankly. And let me just film you, show you that. That's where we just left. Again, I'm sorry I don't know the name of it, but I will find that out and add it into the titles. And here we are. Some signs here. I'm just going to go around so you get a good idea. If you want more of these kind of intros, let me know. I know it's a little bit off the main path of being an Android technical phone, but I thought you'd enjoy it. I'm also testing out the optical image stabilization on this phone. Hopefully it's good. And I'm just walking as per normal. And look at this, eh? Very beautiful. Amazingly beautiful. Wow, stunning actually. There's no one here, no locals. And for those who don't know, but I'm sure everyone does, there is a statue of the Buddha. In Thailand is mainly a Buddhist country. Fascinating culture. Technically, Buddhism is not a religion. It's a philosophy of life, so you could be of any religion and practice it. Well, I'm really going off course here with my with my if you like my Android technical speech. This is my girlfriend coming up. There's me, her and another couple, but the guy in the car refuses to come out because he thinks the dogs could be dangerous and he doesn't want to get bit. So just me and my girlfriend, and I'll just show you this part over here, then we're going to call it a day and move straight on with the technical. Oh, there's a tourist, 2 tourists type people. Maybe they've come here to pray, show their respect to Buddha. And I just walk along this bridge really slowly. As you can see, the bridge doesn't go anywhere. And the other problem, Thailand right now does have a major pollution problem with the farmers burning crops this time of year. And unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be able to be solved, at least in the immediate future, but hopefully it will be soon. Look at that. And we'll go straight on with the technical video right now. Excuse the sound, but I just had to include this. So this is, we've just walked into some kind of museum, and as I mentioned before, you have to be scanned everywhere you go now in Thailand and sign in. But this is the most advanced I've ever seen, where you can actually see on a monitor your own temperature. That's me, my infrared on the right, and that's a normal photograph of me on the left. Just to zoom in a bit more, as you can see, look at that. Wow. Okay, that means that noise means I've got to go back, and I'm 37, because it's very hot outside. Really hot. Look at my body, huh? Interesting. You can see the reds. That's quite interesting. But well done, Thailand, for doing a great job of keeping the virus under real tight control. One of the most effective countries so far in the world. But let's move on, and let me just show you how to use a scanner. So everywhere we go in Thailand, we have what's called the QR code, and there's a few ways of doing it. Firstly, you can press the camera, and if you just point, it then will ask you automatically to go there, which is a government web page, and then you just sign in accordingly. Now that works 90% of the time, maybe a bit more, but the other way, which is much better, is you scroll down from the top and you call what's called your quick settings. And here you have what's called the scan QR code. You tap that, it then opens a camera, but automatically opens in the right mode. And as you can see, it does exactly the same, but it works every time. Very good, instant. But let me just show you a couple other things though that you may want to do, talking about scanners. You go to camera, and then you go to settings. Make sure you've turned this on. Scene optimizer, got to be turned on. And then you want scan and QR codes turned on, otherwise it won't work. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And the final thing I want to show you, I need a piece of paper to show you. If you open up your camera, any document, any size, you see I've got that yellow line on the outside, tap to scan, and now you can see it's just taken the document. This could be any size document. You can change the size, length, save it as a PDF. If I press save, and now you go here, there it is, a document saved as a PDF, etc., etc., and you can edit it and whatever you want to do. That's it. Stay tuned. See you soon.